Listen, you don't need more chords. You just need to understand the chords that you already know. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to play praise breaks in multiple keys using the number system. Let's get into it. Let's go to the key of C. And I want to use C because most people don't do praise breaks in the key of C. So let's review the C major scale real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 1. All right. So bass line is going to be 1, 3, 4, sharp 4, 5, 6, sharp 6, 7, 1. And then it's going to go back to 3. 3, 4, sharp 4, 5, 6, sharp 6, 7, 1. Then back to 3. Same thing. 3, 4, sharp 4, 5, 6, sharp 6, 7, 1. Okay. So on the right hand, we're going to play. This is a B flat major ninth chord. If your hands can't stretch to this ninth, just play the B flat major seventh chord, and you're going to play this on the 1. Okay. Then you're going to go E flat diminished seventh chord. So E flat, F sharp, A, C. And then you're just going to play, you're going to land on a C major chord. And then I like to give it a little flair. So that little flair right there. And I want to speak in terms of numbers, so I'm not going to call this an E flat. So we can call it a flat 3 because we want to flatten the 3. So you can call it a flat 3 or a sharp 2 with whichever direction that you're going in. Okay. So those are your 3 chords. So on the left hand, we're going to go. So we're going to play E flat tritone on the left, and then E tritone. And then we're going to go C major chord with that little flair from the flat 3. And then we're going to land on the B flat major 7th chord. And then what you're going to do on the left hand when you play the B flat major 7th chord, just borrow the 5 and the 7th. The 5 and the 7th. So, and when I say the 5 and the 7th, I'm talking about, so if we're playing the B flat major 7th, so 1, 3, 5. So borrowing the 5 of B flat, and then the 7th of B flat, not of C, of B flat. So now let's play it with the left hand. I will admit, my hands are freezing right now. And when my hands are cold, I cannot play fast. So I'm gonna just play it. I'm gonna play it congregational speed. So now let's go to E flat. We're gonna play the same thing. So E flat, bass line. We're gonna go 1. So let's review the E flat major scale real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 1. So the left hand bass line is gonna be 1, 3, 4, sharp 4, 5, 6, sharp 6, 7, 1. Then we're going to go back to 3. We're going to circle back to 3, 4, sharp 4, 5, 6, sharp 6, 7, 1, and it just keeps going. All right. So the chords that we're gonna play, we're gonna play the E flat major chord. So G, B flat, E flat, and then we're gonna play the C sharp major 7th chord. Okay. Left hand, we're gonna go. So we're gonna play the F sharp tritone and the G tritone, and then we're gonna play the E flat major chord with a flare. And then we're gonna land on the C sharp major 7th chord. So if you notice what I'm doing, I'm just borrowing notes on the left hand. I'm borrowing notes on the left hand, and I'm taking them from the right hand. So you see, I got the so if this is C sharp major 7th chord. So C sharp major, and you add the 7th. So look at the notes I borrowed. 3, 5, and 7. So when you play a major 7th chord, you play the major chord first. 1, 3, 5, and then 7. So 3, 5, and 7. Hopefully that makes sense. Now let's play it with the left hand. Listen, if this feels hard right now, or you feel stuck, in my next video, I'm going to show you why that is, and I'm gonna help you get unstuck. All right. So listen, my last point of this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to play the same praise break the exact same way in 2 different keys. So when it comes to the chords, right? That chord that you're going to play, that churchy chord, that churchy power chord that you're going to play on the 1. So let's go to the key of C. Do you remember when I played the B flat major 7th chord on 1? Remember that? Let me show you how I came up with that. So what you do is you take the 1 and you go down a whole step. Whatever that whole step is, that's the major 7th chord that you play. So you go down the whole step, so it's B flat, so C. So one whole step down from C is going to be B flat. So you're going to play the B flat major 7th chord. So let's go to E flat. So to find that same chord in the key of E flat, we found the E flat first and we go down a whole step. So that means we're going to play, so that's C sharp. So now we're going to play the C sharp major 7th chord on 1 or E flat. Okay? That's how you find it. And you can do that in any key. So let's go to A flat. So A flat, you go down the whole step. It's going to be F sharp. Perfect. So on 1, which is A flat, you play the F sharp major 7th chord. Okay? And so forth and so on. If we're in B flat, we go down the whole step, which is going to be A flat. So we're going to play the A flat major 7th chord on B flat, which is 1. And the same thing if we are in B. It just keeps going. It just doesn't stop. That's all it is. It's just understanding the relationships. It's all relationships. How did I do the diminished chord in the 1 chord? So the 1 chord was self-explanatory. The 1 chord is just the 1 chord. So let's go to the key of E flat. So just know, so you know every major chord is 1, 3, and 5 of that key. So all I did is I just inverted. So if we go 1, 3, 5, we inverted. The first time is going to be the first inversion. So we basically just played the first inversion of the 1 major chord. And I just did a flare. I did a flare coming off the, so let's say 1. So 1, 3. So this next note right here is going to be like a flat 3. So I just did a flare off a flat 3. Okay. Now how did I find the tritones? So it's a couple of different ways you can do it. So I played the F sharp tritone and the G tritone. So you can look at it as, okay, I'm going to play the flat 3 tritone, and then I'm gonna play the 3 tritone. So 1, 2, 3, flatten the 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 3. You can look at it that way. But another way I can find it is, I normally like to play the F sharp diminished 7th, and I just take the tritone out of that chord. But anyway, the numbers is the best way to go. And so if I'm playing the flat 3 tritone and the 3 tritone, so let's go to the key of C. 1, 2, 3. So let's go flat 3 first. I'm sorry. 1, 2, 3. So flat 3 and then 3. So see how I did that? So flat 3. So you can do that in any key. That's literally how it works. Hope this all makes sense. Make sure you tune into the next video, and I will help you get unstuck with this number system stuff.